So here I have an empty program in which first we'll learn to make circles. So to make circles you need to use the ellipse command, and then in the parentheses there are four parameters, and I am going to make a shocked face using only circles. And remember, after every statement is over you need to put a semicolon. So now what do each of these parameters do? If we see, if I try and increase and decrease, it changes. The first parameter controls the x-axis, the second one controls the y-axis, the third one is in charge of the width, and the fourth one is in charge of the height, as you can see. Let me just get back my original numbers. Yeah. Now to make two eyes, I'm going to use another ellipse command, and then just a second. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna take a random numbers because I don't know any good parameters for making an eye. Okay, so this I guess is too big for eye. But first let's just change the x and y axis. Now I'm going to change the width and the height. And now to make another eye, I'm just going to duplicate this and paste this in the other line. And we can't see the other circle because both of them are overlapped. But as I change the x-axis, you can see the other circle. Now for the mouth. Then I'm going to take another set of random numbers because I don't know any good parameters for oh my god, the mouth. And remember, after every statement you have to put a semicolon. I guess that's too big a mouth, but let's just get it in the center and change its width and height. This shocked face looks very weird, but let's just see. Now it looks like a shocked face. Well, it looks like a face that I just seen a Jack in the Box. Now let's turn the shocked face into robot face, meaning turning all of these circles into squares and rectangles. Now I don't know which one is which. I don't know if this is the eye or this is the face. So if I just remember, and if I'm right, the first one is the face. And if you, in case you forget, there is a solution. So what you do is that you put two slashes like this, then I'm going to write face. So this is a label. This is for only us humans to understand what the thing is, and it has to do nothing with the computer. And I guess the second one, these two are eyes. And and then put a simple colon here. Then I'm gonna put two slashes. What's this one? Oh yeah, it's the mouth. Then a colon, not a semicolon, a colon. So that's how you label things. Now I'm just gonna change this face into a robot face. What do you think? What do you think that if I just change the ellipse command, well, if you want to make a square or rectangle, you use the rect command. I'm not good at writing with the mouse. So I'm just gonna type it for clarity. You use the rect command. So it's like this. Yeah. So then what do you think if I just change this? Oops, sorry. I just change this ellipse command. Just write that if I change just a second. I'm so sorry. I got kicked out of the meeting from which I was doing, the recording. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm just going to retype my question that I was asking you. So what do you think will happen when I just change the ellipse into a rect, keeping uh, the parameters same? And what do you think? Will it change its place? or it will stay on the same place as the circle. What I'm meaning to say is that this circle just choose a different thing. Yeah. So this circle is here, and if I just change this ellipse into rect, keeping all these parameters same, will the rectangle stay here like this only, or will it be somewhere else on the output screen? What do you think will happen? Just gonna clear everything, and let's see what will happen. So I'm just gonna change this into rect command. Okay, so the rectangle has changed its place. Well, I'm just gonna give you one hint. Um, First two commands are the same. The first two commands remain the same. The first command is x-axis, and the second command is y-axis. Uh, just a second. Wait. Sorry. So here is the rectangle. I'm just gonna see what the other two commands do. Let's see what the other two commands do. Okay, so if I change the third command, it it what it does is that it selects long how long is the rectangle from here, from this side only. Well, that did not happen with the circle. With the circle, if we used to change the third parameter, that was the width, it used to extend from all the sides, not only one side. But in the rectangle, it extends from only one side. Let's see what the third parameter does. Here are the drawings. Yeah. First, let me bring this rectangle a bit up. Let's see what it does. So what it does is that it decides how long the rectangle is from down. Okay, that's cool. So not everything was same. We just change all of these into rectangles. Just a second. Yeah, sorry. So this is what I have after to change everything into rect commands, and let me just get everything in shape. I'm just changing the parameters to make this the robot shape that we want. Yeah, so here we have it. Just this is what we have, the robot face that we wanted. And video title said that how to even color those shapes. So color to color the shapes you have made, you use a command called fill. Let's just see the fill command. And always remember that the computer goes in chronological, understands the command in chronological order. So whichever shape you want to color, you need to type the fill command above that shape. Suppose I want to color this rectangle. I want to color this rectangle, and I need, so that means that I need to write the fill command above this rectangle. So here's the fill command. I have right now, I have changed the color to red. Well, now what do all these parameters do? The first parameter says how red the color is. The second one says how blue it is. The third one says how green it is. No, sorry. The second one says how green it is, and the last one says how blue it is. But you can just select a color right now, like this. I'm gonna select orange. That same way you can color all the other shapes. And with these, only with these shapes, you can create many cool, animations. And I am going to make that a video about that, so you can watch that. Thank you.